Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how to build your own website or online store? Welcome to the web world, an expansive universe where dreams are crafted into reality. Having a website or an online store is like having your own digital real estate. It's a platform where you can showcase your products, connect with potential clients, and build your brand. It's a gateway to the boundless opportunities the digital age offers. The benefits are immense, the freedom unparalleled. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of building your own website or online store. The first step in this journey is selecting the right platform. Now there's a whole universe of platforms out there, each with its own unique strengths. Let's delve into a few. First up, WordPress. It's the most popular platform worldwide, offering unrivaled customization options thanks to its vast array of plugins. However, it can be a bit challenging to navigate for novices. On the other hand, Shopify is a one-stop shop for building an online store. It's user-friendly with integrated payment and shipping options, but it does come with a monthly fee. Then we have Wix, a platform praised for its simplicity. It's a great choice for beginners, offering a variety of templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. However, its flexibility can be somewhat limited compared to others. And these are just a few examples. There are many other platforms out there, each catering to different needs and skill levels. Remember, the platform you choose can make or break your online presence, so choose wisely. Now that you've chosen your platform, it's time to design your website. This is where the magic happens. Start by considering your site's visual hierarchy. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's about guiding your visitors' eyes to the information they need. Think of your website as a map. Your visitors are the explorers, and you're their guide. Themes and templates are your best friends here. They provide a foundation for your creativity, allowing you to focus on the finer details. Whether you're going for a minimalist style or a vibrant, eclectic vibe, there's a theme out there for you. Now let's talk about mobile optimization. With more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's essential that your site looks and functions perfectly on smaller screens. So don't forget to check how your site looks on a mobile device. A well-designed website is a customer magnet, so take your time to get it right. With the design in place, next comes adding essential features to your website. Think of these as the gears and pulleys that make your website not just functional, but also engaging and user-friendly. First off, if you're running an online store, a shopping cart is an absolute must. It's like your customer's personal assistant, holding their chosen items until they're ready to check out. Now, to make that checkout process seamless, you'll need a reliable payment gateway. This is what will allow your customers to conveniently pay for their purchases. Then there's the contact form. This simple feature opens a direct line of communication between you and your visitors. It's like saying, "Hey, we're here and we're listening." And let's not forget about social media integration. By connecting your website to platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you're expanding your digital footprint and reaching more potential customers. Lastly, remember that visibility is key. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. By optimizing your website for search engines, you're helping it climb the ranks and get seen by more people. The right features can enhance the user experience and boost your online visibility. Finally, it's time to launch your website and let the world know about it. But before you hit that launch button, it's crucial to do a thorough testing of your website. Check for any bugs, broken links, or loading issues. Ensure everything is in place, from your content to your design, and your site is user-friendly and accessible across all devices. Now let's talk about marketing your website. Remember, build it and they will come only happens in movies. In the digital world, you need to actively promote your website. Start with social media marketing. It's a powerful tool that allows you to reach a vast audience, engage with them, and build brand awareness. Create compelling content, share it across your social media profiles, and encourage your followers to share it too. Email marketing is another effective strategy. With a well-crafted email campaign, you can keep your subscribers updated about your latest offerings, send personalized recommendations, and nurture your relationship with them. Then there's search engine optimization, or SEO, which is all about making your website more visible on search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords into your content, optimize your website speed, and create high-quality backlinks to improve your search engine rankings. Lastly, don't forget to use analytics to understand your customers' behavior. It will help you tailor your strategies, improve your website, and ultimately, achieve your business goals. Congratulations, you are now ready to launch your website and conquer the online world.